Today we're in a Rotary Lounge home garage. I don't really show this off too much. This has been more of a long-term process. This is kind of like my final boss project. There's a lot that has already gone into it so far, but I wanted to show you something that I just received not long ago, and I'm pretty excited just to see what the actual outcome of it is. It's Origin Werks. I purchased a set of the Sleepy Eye LED headlight kit. I already had some aftermarket headlights on this car and I was really happy with that, but when I saw the style of the Sleepy Eye kit, and then it turned out that it also, not only in the Sleepy Eye position, but it has like the ideal headlight beam cut off. You know, I can't wait to try these out and see what the outcome's gonna be. But the quality so far looks pretty good. So let's go more into it and take a look.
Right there, you got it right up. Just let it right on top for me. There you go. Right on top, you got it. All right.
Pizza. So this isn't your average FD. This is my project that I've been working on for some time on and off. You know, there's gonna be a lot of things that just are not relevant to most of the other FDs that you see out there. This car is full wire tucked when it comes to the body harness, engine harness. So a lot of stuff that I've done does not make sense, but in the big picture, it should. Let's get this headlight cover off. So I don't have this fully wired up yet. That's why I'm mechanically just doing all of this. There we go. If you've ever taken off FD headlights before, I don't like doing this part. It always feels like I'm gonna break it because you have to really push these tabs in. If anybody has any other tips to make it easier, let me know. All right. The last one's off. So as I put these in, just to let you guys know, as far as how wiring is done, I have no complaints whatsoever. This is quality stuff, and it actually connects to the factory connector. So no splicing wires or any of that stuff. This is very nice. There we go. All right, so the bottom one's in. There it is, mounted. So now I'm gonna do my rigging real quick. We can do some chingaderas, that's no problem. Because the harness isn't completely finished, you know, I didn't want to rush to just get this ready, so it's just easier for me. I just mocked up some quick connectors so it'll connect both lights. I'll get some battery power. I want to see what the light output looks like on this, so let's go with it, but don't judge. This is temporary until I finish the full body harness.
This is totally your wiring harness, isn't it?
We'll see how it turns out. Here we go. Let's just say this will be a negative here. We'll do another negative here, and we'll use this for our power at the battery. Let's do the same for the power. So from the looks of it, this kit has high and low beam switching. I'm just gonna wire it up for the low beam function. If I'm wrong, again, correct me, but that's what it looks like just based off of the wiring on here. And there's the power, so now we have a power source. Actually, I'm gonna run these in here. There we go. Might be able to even put the covers back on. Let's see.
Final wiring harness, huh?
It's a beta, but if it works out, we're happy. Actually, I'm gonna put the sides on real quick. Fitment is great, no different than OEM. I mean, it looks like the housing that they actually use is probably like some sort of an aftermarket OEM housing. So clearance is very good. I've got no complaints on that. Most of our stuff that we usually get usually does not fit. So this is satisfying, knowing we don't have to work with that. I'll just lightly put this cover back on just so it could still feel like a completed car, even though it's not. There we go. And might as well bring it down to its position. You can also look out for a future diverter we'll probably offer in the future. So we'll just slide this back on. think we're good. Should we close the hood and see what it looks like?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm a fan. I definitely like this look. Way sleeker looking. I mean, the body lines on the FD, as it is, they're timeless and they're nice, but just how sleek this looks now definitely makes me happy to try these out.
Yeah, they look good, dude.
Yeah. All right, let's see if my precision wiring is gonna work or not. Here we go.
Yeah, that looks cool, dude.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. You know, if you guys want to see more details, more in depth as far as install and like more of like the technical items on this, I'm sure you probably already follow him, but if you don't, Jacob, it's RX7 bruh on Instagram. He's got some good coverage, a lot of great videos that are way more technical than the stuff that we do. Yeah, look him up and I think you'll be very happy with this option. My thoughts from what I see so far, the quality, these are a keeper. I'm gonna keep these on the car, and for what is offered in this package, it's just hard to beat and actually build this yourself when you can already buy a kit that already has all the thought and design into it. So thumbs up for me.